Hi, welcome to Inti.com. Inti.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume using the following link. We will do the needful to find out the right job. In this video, I'm going to explain to you two important Java interview questions. First question, what does the static keyword mean and where can it be used? The static can be used in four ways. Static variables. Static variables are shared by the entire class and not a specific instance. Okay, so please remember, static means at the class level. It is not at the object level. So any concept that is applied to object level will not be applicable for static. Okay, for example, polymorphism will not be applied for static variables. So there are a lot of concepts for which is applied for objects, but it will not be applicable for static variables. So static variables are very important concept in Java. Then the second point is static methods are also shared by the entire class. I told you static means entire class at the class level. Static classes are inner classes that aren't tied to their enclosing classes. Static can be around a block of code in a class to specify code that runs when the virtual machine is first started up, before the instance of the class are created. So whenever the JVM looks at the particular class name, the class is loaded, at the same time static block will be called. So there is a difference between constructor and static block of code. Okay, so please remember, whenever a class is loaded, static block will be executed. Whenever a class instance is created, an object is created, constructor will be called. Okay, so please be clear on this. The second question, what are the difference between interfaces, abstract class, classes and instance? Interfaces are essentially a list of methods that implementation must possess but have no code or member variables. There is no implementation at all. Abstract classes cannot be instantiated but can contain variables, implemented methods and unimplemented methods. Okay, classes contain variables and implement methods only and can be instantiated. The last point, instances are specific examples of a particular class. Okay, for example, employee John is an example. That's where the object comes into picture. So these two questions are very important for your Java interview preparation. Hope this video is useful for your interview. Thank you and all the best for your interview. This video is from interview.com, a job portal. Thank you.